Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use SmartNote on the iPad to capture the MOF and W9 electronically when you're in front of merchants rather than having to use the paper process and scan and fax and do all that. So just going to go through this as quickly as possible. So the first thing you need to do is just go to the App Store and search for SmartNote in the top right. I chose this one because it was only $2.99. From the reviews, it looked pretty good and it could do everything that we needed it to do. So I've already downloaded it, but all you need to do here is click install, type in your Apple ID and your password, and it's $2.99. It'll be billed to your card on file, so that's pretty self-explanatory. I'll get back out of here. Since I already purchased it and have it installed, it's right here on my desktop, so I'll open up the application. And I already have a few different PDFs in here, MOF, just a basic form, some past contracts that I just signed, and the W9. So I've already put these together, and I'm going to show you how to, get out of here, how to bring in the PDFs for the first time, because you won't have these files in here. You'll just have blank area with no documents. So the first thing you need to do is in the top right corner, click on the little plus sign up here, and it'll give you some options. The easiest way to get the PDFs on your iPad is probably going to be through the Smart Sync, which is the fourth option down. You can actually bring over the PDF from your laptop or your computer that's on the same Wi-Fi network at home, and that's what I did. So I would have your computer next to you with the MOF and the W9 saved and ready to download. So on this option, click Activate Smart Sync, and that will pop up with this passcode. So on your laptop now, go to mysmartnote.net in any web browser. You can use Safari or Mozilla or Internet Explorer. And so go to, again, mysmartnote.net, and it'll prompt you to type in this passcode. And make sure that you're on the Wi-Fi network, the same Wi-Fi network as the iPad, because you're basically transferring the file through the Wi-Fi network and onto your iPad. So that's pretty self-explanatory. mysmartnote.net, type in this passcode, and basically click Browse for the PDFs, the MOF, and the W9. Upload those, and that'll pull this into here, and you'll see these files as a PDF. So the last thing I'm going to show you before I go, because this video is getting longer than it needs to be, is working with the document, because I found a few pointers that have gotten me up to speed a little bit faster than when I first started messing with this application. So I'm going to open up my basic template for MOF, and this is just a generic template that I put together so I can easily edit it on the fly in front of a decision maker. So what I did here, and again, this is just the blank order form. I can draw anywhere I want on it, but I don't want to really demonstrate that. The bottom left down here, you have some options, and you're going to want to click text for T for text, and you have some options to enter in text. I chose to use the full page text area, which is the second to last option down, and I basically just went through and entered in all my information, my name, a generic business name, generic address, phone number, email address, and then details down here. And that way, when I'm on the fly, I can just tap on the areas that I need to change. So click on edit at the top left, click on business name, and change that to, well, whatever, and so on and so forth down the page. So that's just the standard text to input the deal. It's pretty clear to read, so everyone over at the office in New York can see our information pretty clearly. Then down at the bottom, where you want them to sign, it's nice to just use the fingertip for the signing. So you can click on pen, which is a little pen icon, and I click black pen, and I have just this little green marker indicating where they should sign with their finger. They can sign away, and there's the signature. Then the bottom left, you can click save and close. Or what you want to do if you're done with the MOF at this point is probably just click email page, and you can email this document directly from your email. So I'll make sure that's going from my right account, KGB Deals email, and I can send it right over to the contract admin, Liz and Claire, and copy whoever else on this email. You could even carbon copy the business owner from right here, so they have a copy of this contract in their email inbox. So as you can see, it pulls in this as, I believe it's a JPEG. I don't really know what file format that is, but easy to read. And Liz just sent me an email back today saying that it worked fine on her end. So that's the way that I'm sending these from now on. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call. It's working out really well, and I recommend using it for all your meetings. So that's it. Talk to you guys later. Bye.